if I'm being quite honest, you guys, I have never seen or I can't recall at this moment a time where Umusamsilegu really affirmed Umpilo the way he did on this episode. For the past episodes, I felt somehow about Umpilo and for the past seasons, in fact, not only on Izingane's temple, but also on Utando's temple. I felt somehow about Umpilo's relationship with her father. I just felt like Umpilo kind of like has to tiptoe around him in a sense. But I really feel like the conversation he had with her today was quite heartwarming because you know what, you guys, Pilo is a good child who's kahle. Like what would Musa be saying that he's complaining about when it comes to Umpilo? So I feel like what he said to her today, I mean, for me, I can see how it means so much to Umpilo because I do not recall a time where he validated her like that. It's different from the other children. Uabongwe, he's very close with Uabonge, with Uabongwe. He's close with Umpumelelo, with Luanze, but with Umpilo, it's very different considering the fact that her and Sneh, their mothers are not married Kwamsile. So I was so happy about that. But there's something that he said to Umpilo, and I was just like, sir, can you please repeat that for me? Because I don't get it. He basically said to Umpilo, I don't need you to produce children for me. And the context around it, he was obviously saying that the relationship of how Umpilo basically carries herself will determine their relationship. And that relationship that they have between one another will determine how he treats her before she has a child and after she has a child. And basically saying that there will be a time where Umpilo will, be ready to have children and etc. Basically, he was saying to her that, you know what, that he loves the way she's handling herself and he believes the way she's handling herself, that she's setting a good example for the ones who, her younger siblings. But I'm like, when he said, I don't need you to produce children for me, I'm like, okay. But I'm just like, when I look at Umpumelele's children, Umpumelele has 3 children now, you guys. And the 2 children that basically those 2 children are twins because Uvuyokazi and Utirelo did not give, like those children are not far apart in terms of iminyaka yabo, in terms of how old they are. And the status, like the captions that I've seen him write on his Instagram stories about these children gives off the impression that he really is happy that Umpumelelo like is producing children for him. Because he said about Usingabaku, which is Tirelo's child or son, I can't remember what is Uvuyoga's son's name. But the captions that he puts is that that they have a great that they have basically a responsibility ahead of them to continue the family and whatnot. Sometimes even some statuses or some captions will be like thanking Umelelo because for extending the family. And I'm like, it very much looks like to me that you are basically saying, Mr. Mselewu, that you need Umpumelelo to produce children for you, and you are quite happy that Umpumelelo has produced children for you. You have quite literally praised Utirelo and Uvuyokazi for giving birth to children for you or grandchildren for you. But yet, when it comes to Umpilo, you telling Umpilo basically you are posing the very same thing you're praising these other 2 ladies for. And that's an indication, guys, ukuthi sometimes, hey, ungayi ngokuthi what are you, I don't know whether I want to call them in-laws because they're not their in-laws because Uvuyokazi and Utirelo are not married. But it just goes to show that the thing that Umusa is celebrating about Uvuyokazi and Tirelo is the very same thing he is basically glad that Umpilo has not done, which is had children. And I'm just like, some people, guys, they will only celebrate you because you are benefiting them, you are extending their family. But if it was their children, they would not advise their children to do that. I don't think Umusa would be happy if Umpilo was out there extending someone else's home by giving birth to kids. And yet, for Umelelo, he's happy about that. Look, you guys, I get it that it's not the same that Umpilo is a woman and the children she'd be giving birth to would not be Mstelegu children. And Umpumelelo, the children, his girlfriends, the children that gets to, the children that they get to give birth or Mselegu, like children, like I get it, but hey guys, I bugegi gash, and I'm just like, but anyway, Umsilego is Umsilego, and one thing about him, he has never shied away from his truth, what he believes in, and he stands on it. So I guess, like I can't judge him for that, but again, who am I to judge him? But I can't speak down on that because he's always stood by his truth, even when it comes to Sne's children, which is quite sad about. He practically has never welcomed them. He only accepted his firstborn Kasne because of Umathele. But besides that, he was never happy about it until today. He kind of quite literally says that the way Lokuzana Snare treated herself has affected the relationship or has affected their relationship. But anyway, guys, hey, you know what? It was about Umpilo and Umpilo shining. So we're going to say, Umpilo, keep shining. Keep doing great, baby girl. You are doing a good job. Keep making your family proud, and we must give Makumalo her flowers as well, you guys. Maybe I should do a different video for that because you know what, she has done well, Gumpilo, you guys. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you at the next one.